All right guys, welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a long time, but a lot of things have happened within the past couple months. The biggest thing, best day of my life, got married to my soulmate, my best friend, Jessica. So yeah, we've just been getting settled into our new apartment. We got a new dog and getting back into, you know, our Monday through Friday jobs. Now we are going to get back into recording videos, making content for this channel because it has been a while, and I'm hyped, I'm ready to go, and I'm ready to put more stuff out there for you guys. So thank you for all who subscribe, who comment and like. I am now at the 1,000 subscriber milestone. Thank you so much, guys. This has been an amazing journey. It's been so much fun just doing what I love, whatever it is, hobbies, upgrading the truck, you know, whatever. Thank you guys so much for staying here, watching the journey and watching all the videos that I put out. It means a lot. Here we go, guys. We're gonna get straight into the video. This video is going to be about upgrading our Ranger. All right, so the last video I did, we did a couple of cosmetic changes, the side steps, the front bumper, and the fender flares. Now that the tires are wearing out, it is time to upgrade that as well. Today, we are going to be installing the Fox 2.0 Stage 1 suspension lift kit, which is gonna raise the front end about 2.5 inches and the rear by 1.5 inches. We're also going to be getting new tires, but in order to do that, we need to install the Faction Fab 1.5 inch wheel spacers. We're also gonna be modifying the crash bars, the front and rear. In order to fit 285/70 R17 tires on there, we're going with the Falken AT3Ws. We're gonna need to do some modification, cut those crash bars and install some BDS intrusion beams to maintain the safety to be able to fit that tire in there with no rubbing. Yeah, it's gonna be good. Thanks again for so much for watching and subscribing, and here we go. Here's my little work buddy. So as you can see, there is a size difference between the stock and the BDS intrusion beams. We didn't have to do any sort of cutting of the crash bars. We actually just quit cutting and removed the front bumper It made it much easier to just slide out. We wasted so many Sawzall blades. Yeah, I suggest just removing the front bumper. We didn't record much of that, but I'm gonna go ahead and link a resource in the description below for those that don't want to do any cutting. It's just a little bit more work. You have to remove a bunch of clips, bolts, but once you get the front bumper off, it is much, much easier. So there you go. This is the stock, and this is the BDS intrusion beam. For the rear crash bars, I was having a little bit of rub, so we actually have to remove these and put in the BDS intrusion beam ones. So it's not a problem. So unfortunately, you do have to cut these. You can't just slide them out, and you actually have to remove part of the fender, as you can see here. Pull this like fabric feeling part back so you have room to cut, and then you're gonna have to take this piece out so you can actually cut through the entire thing. So take that out, and then you're clear to cut that thing. Oh yeah! So big shout out to Exact Mats here in Houston for hooking me up with some floor mats that really rival the WeatherTech mats in my opinion. So there's version 1. They had hooked me up with, in the beginning when I first got my Ranger. So this is the material. It's made out of vinyl, little 2 grommet holes, and then we have these this is like their Pro line. So it's black vinyl, like I said, material, and as you can see, it's really dirty, but all you really have to do is just power wash this and then dry, and it's like good to go. I don't like the WeatherTech mats because they like pool in like those little crevices. So anyways, so here is version 2. Hopefully y'all can see that. Version 2 has more coverage. As you can see, it has the coverage for the left hand side. I'll go ahead and show you what that looks like in a bit. There is the passenger side, the version 1, and then passenger side version 2. So they're really quality mats, and they have been really easy to clean once I go and clean my truck. So everything has been great. Thank you, Exact Mats here in Houston. Check them out. I'll link them in the description below. And again, yeah, really great mats. Here, I'm gonna go ahead and install them now. So here we are, guys. As you can see, previously it did not cover this area, so it would get really dirty. But now, as y'all can see, it covers the entire floor. Really quality work at Exact Mats. And here is version 2 of the passenger side. Really nice coverage, just all around. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. My name's Buddy. I did all the work because I'm a good boy. Alright guys, well, thank you so much for watching this video, the Ranger Danger Stage 2 build. We've got more mods coming in the future, and you know, it's going to take some time. Got to save up for it. My wife and I, Jessica, just adopted this dude too, and we just got settled into our new apartment, and we are getting back to the grind. So thank you again for being patient. Thank you again for sticking around, and we appreciate each and every one of you for watching this video. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. Guys, again, I'm so grateful for y'all getting me to the 1,000 subscriber mark. We're very, very happy for that, and it's just getting me more motivated to continue pushing, continue, you know, just doing what I love. And so again, we appreciate each and every one of you. You know, this guy, he's gonna be on a lot more videos. He's gonna be camping with us and adventuring, so I'm sure you guys are gonna see him more often. His birthday is on November 11th. He's turning 4, so he's a little big baby. So yeah, guys, like I said, thank you again. I'm just so grateful to all the vendors who make these products and help me turn my truck into what it is today. We're gonna do some off-roading, we're gonna do some adventuring, some fishing, kayaking, all that fun stuff. It is fall, winter here in Texas, and we're gonna be doing a lot more camping here in the next couple months, and it's gonna be really good. So like I said, guys, thanks so much for being here. Thanks for watching. Thanks for engaging. Like I said, if you have any questions, comments, whatever, just leave them in the comment box below and we'll get back to you. Anyways, we're gonna head out. Buddy, say goodbye. And we'll see you in the next one. All right, peace. Who's your good boy? Who's your good boy?